Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this 3D card effect on top of like your videos or photos on CapCut PC. So add in your photos or videos or whatever, and then you're just going to simply select it one by one, go to animation, go to combo, and select the card effect, which is here somewhere. Wait, where did it go? Hold on. Oh, there it is. Okay. There's 3D card 1, 3D card 2, 3D card 3, 3D card 4, and 3D card 5, and 3D card 6. So there's 6 that you can choose from. Okay, my image duration is very short, so you can like adjust it to make it longer or not. It's up to you, but here's the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you want to add a background, just add in like a picture or something. But yeah, hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!